Turning the engine, A20DTH. Turning good. And the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor without any damage. And on this side, everything looks good. Look at front engine's turbo without any damage. Turbo turn. Gearbox on good conditions without any damage. This one on the pipe inside. Without any water, no rusty. And on this side, everything looks good. Starter no broken, as you can see. Altimeter looking nice. And on the top, all connectors without any damage. Bottom oil sump without any crack, no leaks. And turning the engine, A20DTH.